Hello, everybody. My name is Afner, and today we're going to be doing a question on expander. Okay? So, in my last video, if you guys watched, we did how to make an expander. Now, if you didn't watch that video, you can go back and watch that video. Okay? But for those people who did watch that video, okay, today we're going to be doing a question about it, about expander. Okay? So we basically just have to create an online shopping app using st.expander. So we have to display the product name as iPhone 16, right? And its price on the main page, so on the home page, okay? And then we have to create three expanders, which is specifications to see if anything's wrong, and then customer reviews, okay, to see how if the customers like it or do not like, basically feedback, right? And delivery information. So when does it come to your house? Okay. So and yeah, also inside each expander, we have to display sample information. So this is just be a sample basically. Okay. So for the sample, okay, yes. So first, we already did import Streamlit ST, right? Now all we have to do is do with st dot expander. mm, With st dot expander specifications, that's the first one, right? So, oh my bad, one mistake. Yeah, specifications. Okay. So in this one, oh, so in specifications, we're just gonna, add some sample information, okay? So we could write, let's say, for specifications, we'll do st.write specifications. So basically, we, we could write st.write, like basically what does it need, right? So camera, oh, I'm not in that. So what does it basically have, right? Camera, it has a screen protector, screen protector, right? And lastly, let's say um not a charging port. Yeah, a charging port. Char Charging port. You know that one little hole on the thing where you put the charger in. So like a charging port, basically. Okay, this is for expanders. For customer reviews, so we have to do the same thing with expander customer customer reviews. So for customer reviews, we could just put in, like input, so someone could write like their feedback, right? Customer reviews. So let's just say A equals to st dot text area review. Okay? So feedback basically. So that's for customer reviews. Now with st.expander, delivery, delivery in information, we could do, okay, yeah, did I write it? Okay. st dot right. So we could write, let's write this. So when it gets, so shipping, the shipping date will be, let's just say, mm, 2026. We're just gonna do like a random number. 2022 and st dot right again. And when it gets delivered 2026, uh yeah, is it 30? No, not 30, 25th, yeah. Okay, so this is for delivery information. Now that we have done everything for the st.expander, we wrote all the expanders. All we need to do now is write a button. So b equals to button, I mean st.button by now if b, so st.button, st.right, order placed successfully. Because that's what we have to write if they press the button. But if they don't, then like yeah, successfully. Yeah. Okay. So we just have to save this. Yeah, we gotta save this. Let's do practice 2.py, right? And then we save it. Go to the browser. Oh, never mind. We don't do that. Where is our? But yeah, we have to open the system shell. Do streamlit run practice2.py. And then we just wait. Yeah. So it opens the browser. Oh my god. Wait, you have to write a title. So our title could be Apple iPhone 16 and then st dot header. So st dot header we're going to do is the price. So the price will be, let's give like $234. Jeez. Yeah, $234 is the price. Save it again. Let's go back here. Reset. Okay, yeah. So we check the specifications. It has camera, screen protector, charging port, customer review. We can just write, so we can write this, that, like, you know, I like it. Like you can anything. And delivery information. So when it gets shipped and when it gets delivered, if we press buy now, it says order placed successfully. Okay, so thank you everyone who are listening to my video. I hope you like it, and bye.